Look who is here with me.
Oh,
Alicia. You're
Stop
really
it.
famous on the YouTube.
Oh, stop it.
Oh, Alicia.
Go
How's it
away.
going? How's it going?
Lovely.
All good? Busy? Oh, she can't control herself.
Oh my god, you're famous.
Are you famous? Let me show you your video. That's the Alicia girl, the laughing girl. Oh, she's busy. Yeah. Oh, she's blushing.
Hi, I'm
Say hello to YouTube.
Hi guys.
Yeah,
Welcome.
this is Alicia again on my channel. No, it's alright. I'm not gonna steal her. She's just on my channel. How are you? All good?
Great, how are you?
Are you local? No, just for chit chat. So you work here all the time? Yeah. I'll see you every Saturday. Oh, how are you? All good? All right. Let's stop. बिजी हो यार टाउन जनाब ये म्यूजिक चल रहा है थोड़ी जी धुप चढ़ी है सब कुछ बाहर निकला है
God is begging you here. It's a free gift. If I have something to give you for free here, I know so many people will come to me.
जनाब पिकाडिली गार्डन है 2 साल बंद की रखे ने फिर मैं थैंक यू इट्स फाइन हम खोलिया ने आज धुप चढ़ी है जनाब फिर सारे था के पैने आज तकिए के हो रहा है ये व्लॉग जनाब इतने धुप चढ़नी है तो फिर रौनक लग जानियां टाउन प्रोटेस्ट करने वाले शुगल मेले वाले गाने बजाने वाले सब इकट्ठे हो जाने पूछने इन्हों को है कि
По приношенню судді ми згодимо працюючи і відправимо військових. На цьому все. Разом до перемоги і слава Україні!
Excuse me, what's this all about? Ukraine. Oh, this is Ukrainian flag. Oh, let me get it on YouTube. Yeah, that's Ukrainian flag.
Glory to Ukraine.
Yes.
Thank you.
No worries.
he was alone. I am the darkness that must come out to light. Stay alive. Hey. Could you be loved and be loved? Yes, I am. Could you be loved right now and be loved? Yes, I am. Dude, I'm like his rocket. You missed out with two things. So I don't point your fingers. Someone else is judging you. Look, you brought that man. Could you be look? Look, you sister, man. What's in respect to the mighty smiler? Don't let them change ya. Oh no. Even be a preacher. Said we've got a life to live. So get up, get up, get up now. They say, get up, 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 get up now. Get up now, Manchester, wanna hear you sing. Could you be loved and be loved? Ooh yeah. Could you be loved right now and be loved? Can you never miss the water until the well runs dry? No matter how you cheat, the man will never be satisfied. Look, you right on there. Could you be loved? Oh, look, your sister there. Manchester, yeah. Say something. Say something. Say something. Say something. Say something. Wicked. Say something. Rackers. Say something. Wicked. Check this out. Blessing up to you all for listening. Stop that train, I wanna get on. Oh my baby.
Go on, let's fight.
Yes, bro. You want to do it?
I've got bike. Got no stand.
Do you want to leave it there?
Oh,
I'll do it. I'm ready for it. Go, get it.
one second. No, not yet. Let me put my bike on the side.
Let's do it, bro.
Yeah, it's on. Let me leave things.
Filming, just filming.
Time out!
Yeah.
Yes, sister. How are you? Where you been?
I've been off for 2 weeks. I've been to Spain.
Spain. All good? Fasting? Where's your cheers, man. Thank you. Where are Paris? How are you? Where's Alex? All good? See ya. Assalamu alaikum.
YouTube, man.
Yeah, Abu Bakr, how are you?
Yeah, how are you?
Good. This is Abu Bakr.
Yeah.
All
How are
good.
you, Pakistan?
Oh, Pakistan's good.
How are you, Afghanistan?
England as well.
Huh?
England, India,
India,
everywhere. USA,
USA,
Senegal. Where you from?
Senegal,
You-
America.
You're from Senegal or Sudan?
Senegal. I'm from Senegal.
Senegal.
Yeah. Come on, bike.
ईस्टर नहीं जनाब लागियां ने मार्केट की लागी सॉरी सरदारी मुड्डी की चूड़ियाँ लैके Hello. You right? Are they handmade?
Yes, I made them.
Everything
From porcelain.
from?
From porcelain, ceramics.
Oh, right. The nice.
Thanks.
That's why they are expensive.
Yes, and I use expensive materials. They are painted liquid platinum, gold, and special colors.
Oh, right. That's why they bit.
And
Yeah,
each
but
one, they are signed at the back with my names. They are unique and little. And for brass, gold plated 24, gold plated silver, steel,
But-
silver.
they are very nice.
Thanks.
Beautiful. If I had a wife, I would buy it
It's
for her.
something what you don't find in any shop, you know.
I know.
It's unique, yeah.
If I had a wife, I would buy, but I don't have wife.
Lol.
I can't wear them.
Yeah. In the future, maybe.
All right. है जनाब सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी है इसका भी कोई शुगर लगे है ओ Free haircut.
Sometimes I feel I've got to
Homeless
run
people.
away. I've got to
Good job.
get away from the pain you drive to the heart of
Hey,
it.
ਜਿਹੜੇ homeless ਨੇ।
We share seems to go nowhere.
Yeah, good man.
And I'm lost my life.
I know. I'm telling you to about this one.
Once I ran to you, now I run from you. This tainted love you're giving, give you all the girl could give you. Take my tears and there's nothing else.
Yes, man. Good job. ਇਹ ਜੀ ਹੋਮਲੈਸ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਹੀ ਮੁਫਤ ਨੇ ਬਾਲ ਕੱਟਣੇ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਸ਼ੁਗਲ ਮੇਲਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਟਾਊਨ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਸਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਵਿਚਾਰੇ ਹੋਮਲੈਸ ਹਨ ਟੈਂਟ ਲੱਗੇ ਇਹ ਨਾਲ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਸਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਨਾਲ Good eye, mate. How's it going? Good eye, mate. How are you? All good? You don't look homeless, man. What happened?